Alright, what's up? Ah, man. Invisible intro of epicness. Like a boss. And this is Paperbat. Paperbat. Ah, I can't speak. Paperbat VG.
What's going on? Jensen JPEX. Hot sauce challenge. Black Ops. This is from K-pop. I'm not, trying to steal her idea, which I am essentially. And I'm sorry for the headphones. I was actually just editing from the song that me and Sly doing when I was talking about Q&A video. We are gonna do the hot sauce challenge. Basically, what she did. I mean, I'm not doing the exact same way she did it, but basically, we're gonna play free for all. Every time I die, I get hot sauce. I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Because, it can turn out both ways. It can turn out so where like I'm beasting it and I don't die, but hey, who knows how this is gonna turn out? It better turn out good. Watch me watch. Cause I'm really. This is one thing that I gotta do. My hair's still wet. I can actually kind of see my hair is still kind of wet. But oh come on, please do this. It's gonna take it's gonna take a million years to get in the lobby now. And I actually got this camera just for this reason. I'm gonna do vlogs, stuff like that, stuff like that, back to the way I used to do things. But why am I not getting in a lobby? Am I like, what's going on here? I have a can of Dr. Pepper on standby, just in case something comes up where I die. I'm not gonna be able to use it. I promised that I wouldn't be able to use it until I really finish the map. Which, good idea or bad idea? We're gonna figure out how that turns out, right? So, if I could ever get into a match, that might be nice. I mean, if they don't want to let me know. Suppose that would be something. I would like to get in the match now, please. Game.
If you can't hear that well, then I'll link the website to the description. Don't worry. I will do it.
This Tabasco sauce is staring. Oh, there we go. This Tabasco sauce is staring me down, people. Woo! Okay, I got this. I got this. No, no, no. I'm not that weak when it comes to spicy stuff, but straight out of the mouth, and I'm not like, I don't know, there's probably some like hot sauce aficionados out there screaming, oh, Tabasco sauce is that like baby hot sauce. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but ooh boy, head in the game, Pete. You're a champ, bro. You got this. Clear your mind. Clear your mind. You got this. And I'm also playing with the speakers turned down, so you guys don't like hear it in the background, which is a penalty on its own. Oh
Crap.
no! Why is it? Why am I getting no gas right now? God, no! Please don't.
Crap. There. Oh my
What's
god.
going on, champs and champettes?
Nope, nope, nope. Sorry, guys. Gotta cut. I gotta cut the story short. Oh my god. I don't know how I can spell that. God, I'm so dumb. I knew it. And I know everyone. Why didn't you know that? It's so obvious. I know, I know. I'm sorry. 1.1.6 might come out on Thursday, but that was just on till 1.6 come out yet? No, Thursday. Tell me when to log on. list, you mean? Ah, crap you. Don't stop the server, please. Whiteboard. What the heck am I thinking? God. Oh, crap. Brandon. Pete.
Like again, don't ask for shout outs, don't ask for recognition. He wrote in about half an hour, so
Nope.
but like I said, this is a new series I'm gonna do. Again, don't ask for shout outs, don't ask for recognition. I will find you. Don't worry about it, guys. So here's cinematic. This rap he wrote in about half an hour, so enjoy, guys.
I will link this thing to the description also. God. Cinematic. God, why do you have to be so popular? God.
Yo, we do this shit live. All one take. Yo, sit back, relax to the beat while I rap this. Rhyme on the smooth tip, spread across the atlas. Music is my life, so my heart beats the tempo. Listen to the way I put the words in your mental. Some think it's simple, but they can't match the cadence. Some cats are flagrant, mad that I made it. Still underrated, but I keep on climbing. Rough around the edges, but I shine like a diamond. No silver lining, I'm grinding it out. No need to rush things, I'm timing it out. Y'all cats can doubt while I keep the gears turning. Keep the flame burning while the beat keeps churning. Always learning, combine the wisdom. This ain't rocket science, but I compound the vision. Pumping through your system like some high octane. Can't nobody tell me that I ain't got game. Speaking the game, you probably want to hear some COD shit. So here we go, let them know that I got this. M48-3, y'all cats are crazy. Scar with the red dot, sin keep the lead hot. Nukes in the choppers, nuke to the flopper. AC-130s and attack helicopters. Back like a doctor, dropping care packages. Throwing tomahawks across the map like some savages. Y'all rap like amateurs, pass the fight camera. Ninja in the ghost, cold-blooded, cutting throats. Y'all ain't getting host painkiller for the stamina. Staring at your radar to let me use the scrambler. Extreme conditioning. I am a veteran. Deep impact and stopping power every weapon. Keep on stepping. Marching like a soldier. Heavy like a boulder. Boy, I thought I told ya. I roll with goons and killers. Heavy blood spillers. Different strokes for different folks. Just ask Willis. Let me keep rapping while you keep double tapping. Get pumped like Ashton with rhymes you can't fathom. Connection interruption. I plug stop productions. Cats wanna rhyme, but they ain't singing nothing. Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Cinematic.
That was cinematic. Something. I don't know what the thing was. So I'm gonna make my new house here because the last one's done. And I know you guys can't see. I know. I can't see it either. But I am using it. See? I'm using it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out though. So yeah. Oh crap. God, this is gonna take forever. I swear to God. Even though I'm not swearing, but I don't know. Alright. So even though it don't look like I got nothing, I got something. Oh, you know what? Oh, crap. That is Selena Gomez. Just so you people know. Oh, I have to do the other one. My god. Let's try this again. Let's see how we're going here. Alright. Probably 10 more minutes. Oh, crap. He's offline. Is he offline? Yes, he is. Look at that. He's restarting his computer. See? Oh, God. Don't freeze on me. Frickin'.
Any items you feel like using that as well. But we can go ahead and click on the receiver and just choose what direction the power emits from. So if we want it just in the north direction, click that, escape, and click this again, and it turns off the north direction. So that's what clicking that did. You can also turn off other directions, and you'll see instant feedback. I'm not entirely sure of the application for this, because it seems like if you didn't want power coming off in a certain direction, you could just delete the redstone there. But anyway, it's there if you want it. So other than that, I think that's about it. Wireless redstone, pretty self-explanatory. Set your frequency, and no conflicts. You can daisy chain a bunch together if you want, and it just makes things a lot more simplified. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. You can find a link to the mod in the description, as always. And if you did enjoy it, it would be awesome if you wouldn't mind taking half a second to leave a rating. I really do appreciate it. But other than that, I will see you guys all next time.
Captain Sparkles, Captain Sparkles. Minecraft, mine. Sandbox, open world, block, boxes, 2D, 3D. Commentary, random, new, video game, PC gaming. Let's escape Minecraft, or escapecraft, the plague, live, night, zombie, notch, or notch, episode. Oh, crap. What was that one that surprised me? That was funny. It's like, holy crap. Playlist. Okay. I think it's Minecraft. Load more. Where is it? Oh, this one's it. This one's it. No, it is. It's just too funny. I don't like this. It's too horrible.
Whew, man, what a day at the mine. That was quite the stockpile I pulled in. Let's see, 3 diamond blocks, 5 gold, 27 redstone, 55 coal, full stack of cobblestone. Boy, can't wait to get back to the casa and make some add-ons. Huh, wait a minute, what's this? Huh, I walk home from the mine this way each day, but for some reason I haven't noticed this thing before. Strange. Food and tools for the weary miner. Huh, well, my stomach is definitely growling, and my pick and shovel aren't exactly in the best shape after the past couple of days. Sounds like just what I need.
Watch, this is funny.
Take whatever you need. Well,
Why don't I?
Don't mind if I do.
Watch. This is
You know
funny.
this stuff. What a kind person to leave it out for someone to find. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Marty, I swear to Herobrine, if that's you, you better watch your back tomorrow at work.
It's not. I know it isn't.
I swear, things I do for minimum wage and lousy benefits. Alright, how do I get out of here? Vital apparatus. What? Salvation? Well, I guess my only hope is to flip the switch and see if something happens.
The vital apparatus vent will deliver a weighted companion cube
Wait,
in
deliver a
3,
what? Oh, waited.
1.
What the hell is that? No. Oh, really? Okay, Marty, dropping me into a pool of water is one thing. Trying to kill me with lava is another. This is seriously really not funny. Oh, thank goodness I brought my phone with me for the day. Let's get the hell out of here. Whew. Just in the nick of time. I can't believe you just tried to kill me. And that woman on the loudspeaker. Man, that's really starting to creep me out. Is that music I hear playing? Oh well, guess I'll head to the other side. Huh. Exit and cake. Cool.
You
But the
did
door
it.
is locked.
The weighted companion cube certainly brought you good luck. However, it may not accommodate you for the rest of the test, and unfortunately, not
My
everything.
companion cube? Did I pick that thing up? I guess I did. Well, whatever gets me out of here. Huh. Cool. Door opens. I guess that's it. Son of a...
I'm being so sincere right now. You even though you broke my heart and killed me.
Wasn't that just wonderful? No, it wasn't. God. Which one was it? Which one was it? I think it was this one. That shows the whole song. No. I'm not listening to that crap. No. Darn it. I won't finish this in time. Darn it.
The vital apparatus vent. Wait, where did I just... Oh, you've seen it?
This was a triumph.
I don't like this. I don't like it. Who's dragging me away? Cave Johnson here, bringing you the next Aperture product. I don't have anything. Okay. It's probably Cave Johnson with a weird voice changer. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this little Portal playthrough, and I hope you are stoked for Portal 2 coming out quite soon, or maybe it has come out when you've seen this, or I don't know. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, it would be awesome if you wouldn't mind taking half a second to leave a rating. I'd really appreciate it. But other than that, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the final song, Still Alive, uninterrupted by myself. The companion cube is still alive. The candle and the cake is not. Yeah. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.
This was a triumph. I'm making a huge success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction. Aperture science. We do what we must because we can. For the good of all of us, except the ones who are dead. But there's no sense crying over every mistake. You just keep on trying to do another thing, and the signs get Trouble you make a need come for the people who are still alive. I'm not even angry. I need something right now. Even though you broke my heart and killed me, and torn me to pieces, and through every piece, century of time. But they burned me because I'm so happy for you. Now this boy's up, they make a beautiful line, and without that, they don't even make me know. So I can't go for you now. Things we learned to the people who are still alive. Go ahead. Maybe that means that was a joke. I have a chance. Anyway, this boat is great. It's so delicious and nice. It's still getting this high to me. And I look up there, it's not like I love you. I just stand next to one of his research to be done. I know that I'm still alive. And you know I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Still
What's the plan
alive.
for the run today? Just full speed ahead, amped up, ready to roll. That's the noise I want to hear. Let's crush those hills faster.